seems to be a stupid guy. Oh, he has such a weird personality. She seems to be quite immature. It happens with all of us a lot of times that we meet a person for the first time and start forming perceptions about that person in our mind. We don't even try to understand others fully before making a perception about them. We have such great confidence on our thoughts and experiences that we feel whatever we are thinking is 100% true. And this confidence makes us form these perceptions about everyone in our life. Some people call it a judgment, while others say that it is their sixth sense. But should we actually fall for these perceptions about others? When we go to meet someone for the first time, we look at his or her pictures on the social media, form some thoughts about that person, and when we actually meet that person, we judge his each and every action based on the thoughts that we have created about that person in our mind. So friends, if someone tells us about a stranger that he used to be in a mental hospital, then there are high possibilities that we will start looking at that person differently and don't even think about talking to him. Now you will ask me, what about the experiences that we have had so far in our lives in understanding people? No doubt, friends, that we need to listen to our brain and the experiences that we have gathered with time and a lot of ups and downs in our lives. But that doesn't really gives us the freedom to form perceptions without even giving someone a chance or an opportunity to share with us about his or her lives, the struggles that they have gone through in their lives, the battles that they are fighting in their lives. Friends, let's think again about some examples from our lives that where we had created perceptions about different people and have been proven wrong later. So let's not create an initial perception about someone without meeting them or just meeting them briefly and try to understand them. Give them their time to share what they want to share. The person in front of you also will appreciate the genuine interest that you will show to understand him or her. Friends, who doesn't want to be heard? Me, yes. You, yes. All of us. Here, I would like to share a quote by Mother Teresa. She said, "If you start judging people, you will have no time to love them." If you liked my thoughts about initial perceptions, please hit the like button and comment your thoughts. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I post a video. Thank you and have a great day.